So today we'll take a look at the fill pattern feature in SOLIDWORKS. So it is a really useful tool for automatically filling an enclosed area with repeated features like holes. So we have this box for example, and we are going to put a pattern here at the top. So we go to linear pattern and fill pattern, and we're gonna select the shape here, for example, and then we're gonna choose the pattern layout. We have preparation, circular, the square, and the polygon. So we are going to choose this one. We can adjust the stagnant angle, let's just say 90 degrees. We adjust the size of the circle, and then we can adjust the margins. You can increase the margin like that, and then just like that you have a holes in the box. Let's do, for example, the other pattern layout. We go to fill pattern, we select the shape, we can adjust the size, and then we select the circular pattern like that, just like that, and we have holes. And that's it.
So hi everyone, this is Nathaniel Christian Mawas, and today I'm going to introduce to you about fill pattern, the seed cut, the create seed cut. Start, click arrow down, fill pattern. So fill boundary, click the top of the rectangle so that you have the base. Then before anything else, then let's go to create seed cut, and let's say you want diamond, want to design diamond. For the distancing, let's change it to 0.3. I think 0.3 is much nicer. And also this is 0.3. Let's go up. Then we can change this also for 0.5 equal this. This is instant distance, and then we have the degree. Let's choose 0 so that they are parallel to each other. Then we can also click this edge, this for pattern direction, let's say here, and then also we can choose reverse direction, but yes, let's check. That's all. Thank you for watching.